Planet Fitness ground-based squat lunge machine is a versatile piece of equipment that can not only build your legs, but can also be used for rows, shrugs, and more. It's important to note that the diagram suggests that this movement is a lunge, but it's actually a split squat. The machine consists of 2 sets of handles connected to pegs to load weight plates onto. There are 4 pegs total, which means you can really load a lot of weight onto the machine. There's also a bar in the rear that you can use to rest your foot on. Some exercises are better performed using the higher set of handles, whereas others are better off using the lower set of handles. To use this machine for any exercise, you want to start by loading your weight plates. To perform squats, which target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, grab onto the lower handles firmly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Inhale as you lower your body by bending your knees, keeping your chest up and your back straight. Exhale, push through your heels and return to the starting position. For beginners, you can perform 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. To perform a split squat, which also targets a wide range of lower body muscles, stand with one foot flat and the other elevated on the rear bar with the top of your foot against it. Grab onto the lower handles firmly, drive through your front heel. Inhale as you slowly bend both knees. Exhale, drive through your front heel to extend your knee and return to the starting position. Most of the effort should come from the front leg. For beginners, try to perform 8 to 10 reps per leg for 3 sets. To perform rows, which target your back muscles, lats, and biceps, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and knees bent slightly. Grab onto the lower handles firmly, hinge and push your hips back, keeping your back straight. Inhale, then exhale as you pull the handles, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Inhale and slowly lower the handles back to starting position. For beginners, find a weight where you can perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. To perform Romanian deadlifts, which help build your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back, face the machine and hold onto the upper handles. Inhale as you hinge and push your hips back, keeping your back straight. Exhale and return to the starting position. Beginners can try this movement for 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets. To perform shrugs, which target your trapezius muscles, grab the upper handles. Stand tall, inhale, then exhale as you lift your shoulders up and squeeze your shoulder muscles for 2 to 5 seconds. Inhale and return to the starting position. Beginners can aim for 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. To progress for any of these movements, gradually increase the weight and adjust the counts as needed. There are other Planet Fitness machines that they recently added, which you can learn more about in the video on the right. Thanks for watching.